Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best IKEA TV stands. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the IKEA GETTORP TV unit. Starting off this list is the very smooth and elegant IKEA GETTORP TV unit, able to accommodating TVs as much as a size of 50 inches, making it all of the extra suitable for spacious living rooms. Its simplicity makes it without problems incorporable into any form of interior, so matching with the overall room look received be a problem in any respect. The bench is made from tempered glass and metallic, making it look aesthetically attractive in addition to being long-lasting and clean to smooth. The cable control accessories and shelves make the management of your cables, DVDs and gadgets extremely handy, making it one of the exceptional IKEA TV stands out there. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the IKEA 8-drawer dresser. Being a cloth wardrobe, this IKEA table is extra suitable for bedroom sets wherein it serves as a multi-course TV stand able to providing a substantial quantity of storage area concurrently. It's tall sufficient to present an elevation to the TV, making it viewable from the mattress as nicely. The construct material is generally wood, so it's robust enough to carry materials and keep other items on pinnacle as well with ease, making it one of the high-quality IKEA television stands for bedrooms. At number 3, we have the IKEA TV bench stand unit. Here's the only you've been watching for. The IKEA TV bench stand unit is one of the exceptional IKEA TV stands available, if not the high quality. The customers opt for it as their first desire, seeing that its brilliant design and coloration supplement the room's splendor like not anything else. At the same time as the strong table can keep the largest of televisions together with consoles, DVD players, CDs and show items easily. It's smooth to assemble and smooths nicely. There's no question this TV bench gives its money's well worth, after which some. At number 2, we have the IKEA 902-432-97 LAC TV stand. Sometimes, it's hard to keep everything as easy as feasible, because that can be all anybody might also want. See for yourself with the IKEA LAC TV stand. It's the correct addition for your living room if you appear to be jogging out of the room, making it one of the first-rate IKEA TV stands when it comes to space saving. The lack of incredible build fabric may not deem it very long-lasting, but for the astonishingly low price, it's a grand bargain, and for this reason immensely popular. Although meeting is needed, it's pretty clean for one individual to complete. It's undoubtedly one of the excellent IKEA TV stands inside the low-fee variety. And finally, at number 1, we have the IKEA Red Cabinet Stand Multi-Use Lockable. Belonging to the low price range of IKEA's TV stand range, the IKEA Red Cabinet Stand is also a television bench with lockable cabinets to comfy your personal assets with ease. The bench can quite simply maintain up huge TVs even as nevertheless having room for greater. The thin gauge metallic desk can be used for nearly whatever. All the even as adding vivid colors for your dwelling room. It's extremely lightweight and portable yet distinctly robust, a great addition to any residing room. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this IKEA TV stands, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.